Install Python in Jupyterlab.
Go to python.org. Download and install Python. Add Python to environment variables. Congrats! Python is installed. Type and run pip install Jupyterlab. Congrats, Jupyterlab is installed. Create a project folder. Create a text file. Type these commands in it and change its extension to .bat. Place a copy of the .bat file in any project folder. Double-click it to run Jupyter Notebooks from that folder. Jupyter Notebooks will run in a browser. A command console will also run in the background. Create a new notebook, give it a name, save it, and start coding in it. Type each segment of code in a cell and run the cell to see the results. Don't forget to save. Congrats, you just started coding in Python.